Hey, thanks for joining me. This painting is inspired by purple, which is also the color of the Crown Chakra. Make sure that you stick around until the end of the video, and I'll tell you how you can get a free 8x8 print of this work. The Crown Chakra represents our spiritual connection, enlightenment, universal consciousness, divine awareness, unity, and wisdom. As far as the materials that I used in this painting, I had some old lids, a small PVC pipe to layer in the color, and paint mixed with a 1:3 ratio of paint to Floetrol. Before I started, I came up with around 20 shades of purple and then selected around 6 with 3 darker hues and then 3 lighter hues. After I fill the pipe with paint, I gently lift it and make a series of triangles across. Getting this part right will take a little bit of practice, and you want to make sure that you fill up the PVC pipe about halfway because gravity can force more paint out and create bigger puddles. The goal of this painting was to go from darker to lighter colors to achieve depth and create some visual interest. It's important to note that I didn't use any silicone or medium to create cells on the first 2 rings. As I work with these purples and whites, I'm reminded of how this chakra opens us up to deeper awareness and inner peace. If these colors, composition, and content resonate with you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to see what I create next. This feedback inspires me to continue creating this kind of content, and it also helps the algorithm show it to more people. This next part is a lot of fun. I wanted to add some more details and flow to this ring, so I use a palette knife and an airbrush to work my way around the painting to give it some more character. Now for the next ring. You'll notice that I picked 2 slightly lighter shades of purple. I pour white in between so there's a layer of color that also adds a bit of negative space. It's time again to add some more details with the palette knife and the airbrush. Notice how this creates motion and depth, since the wispy parts flow over the first ring. This is the last ring of the painting before the center. I picked the 2 lightest shades of purple I created and added medium and silicone to create cells as this was poured. Check out all the gorgeous cells appearing after the colors are added with the pipe. Do you love these cells as much as I do? Let me know in the comments below. I didn't like this giant white space at all, so I worked my way around with an airbrush to make sure that I spread the purple within it a little bit more so I can cover up some of that space. For this ring in the center, I wanted to make sure that it was like a perfect circle because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to that kind of stuff. And within this circle is going to go a stencil of the Crown Chakra. I made sure to draw some lines at the center points of the painting so I knew where to put the center of the stencil before I laid it down, and then I taped it all up to get it ready for spray paint. This last part is an ode to my love for urban art and spray paint, and so I used some stencils and acrylic spray paint to add some more details. Thanks for watching. Art has transformed my life, giving me an abundance of joy and purpose. I hope my work inspires you to create, explore, and find that spark within yourself. To get a free 8x8 print of this painting, all you have to do is pay a small $6 shipping and handling fee. Make sure that you follow the link in the description below. See you next time.